Good morning, YouTube. What's going on, guys? So we got OG subscriber over here, my boy Dean. Gonna breed one life Honda to another. Apparently his car's going out. It's cold weather up here. It's fucking everybody's batteries and shit up. So let's go ahead. We're gonna let this charge and we'll fire up here in a couple minutes.
I've been bustin' and fizz knuckin' bitches. It is nothing for years puffin'. I've been clutching riches from his muffin. Here's fuck you niggas, this is tough and I don't know what the fuck you thinkin'. Telling me this shit is hella fake. Say, since way back in the days.
Dean, OG subscriber from way back in the day. A little bit of car issues, has a frozen battery. This cold's really fucking everybody's batteries up. But luckily he's got me. And you guys got Western Slope Honda, so good day.
And we can never correlate cause you faking, huh? Who's bringing in through bacon, huh? Who's keeping this shaking, huh? Funny question since the tech and chicken eating niggas know the rest. Gay, it's all you punks and Mitch Bates. This in your trunk won't get played on the radio. Too gangster for an old lady, bro. Gangster niggas don't hate me, no. Gangster niggas won't face me, though.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
So that's how you do it. Breathe life from one car to the next. We're gonna help Dino get his little car fixed, and everything's gonna be a good day. Thanks y'all for subscribing. I know I got a lot of new subscribers. I know I got a lot of new fans. 55. I'm so proud right now. Thank you to every subscriber out there. You know your boys got Honda love. What's up, my name's Axel, and I just showed you how to breathe life into one car to the next with Dino here. Very nice kid, very upcoming star. So I have no problems. It makes me feel good that I can actually help you. Especially when it comes to the car game. Yo, Western Slope Honda, we out here, and my shit makes money. I just wait for people to call. So if you have a problem, medic, Facebook or YouTube, bro, it don't matter, I'll help you.
57 RDVs or so. Don't stop. That nigga pity is. Don't stop. They say
when you in them streets, creep, cause some gangsters wanna head blast. Cause I run with the red.